Winter may bring chilly mornings, but your garden doesn't have to lose its charm. Imagine stepping outside to a burst of vibrant blooms that brighten even the coldest day. In today's video, we are exploring the best flowers to grow during this winter season. Hardy, colorful, and full of life. So, grab your gardening gloves and let's get started. Pansies. Pansies are winter's little rays of sunshine. With their cheerful faces and bold colors, they thrive beautifully in cold weather and bloom all season long. Plant them in pots or garden beds for a joyful winter display. Violas. Meet the pansy's charming cousin, the viola. Smaller but just as vibrant, violas bloom continuously through winter and ask for very little care. Perfect for those who want beauty without the effort. Chrysanthemums. Chrysanthemums, the timeless winter classic. Their bold, bright colors bring warmth and elegance to your garden even on the chillest mornings. Snapdragons. Add height and grace with snapdragons. These tall, elegant blooms withstand cold weather with ease and create stunning layers in your garden beds. Marigolds. Marigolds aren't just bright and beautiful, they're practical too, hardy enough for mild winters and excellent at repelling pests. These flowers are both decorative and protective. Cyclamen. Looking for something truly magical? Try Cyclamen. With their butterfly-like petals and heart-shaped leaves, they bloom in cold and bring elegance to every corner. Petunias. Petunias love the spotlight. Perfect for hanging baskets and containers, they bloom in a rainbow of colors and add instant charm to any winter garden. Sweet Alyssum. Sweet Alyssum lives up to its name, dainty, fragrant and perfect for cool weather. Use it as a ground cover or along borders to add softness and a gentle fragrance. Calendula. Calendula are winter warriors, cheerful, edible, and easy to grow. They'll brighten your garden and even your salads. Primroses. Primroses are pure winter magic. Their vibrant blooms thrive in cold weather, adding color to pots, borders, or as eye-catching centerpieces. Use mulch to protect roots from frost and retain moisture. Water sparingly but consistently. Overwatering can harm winter plants. Deadheads spend flowers to keep blooms coming all season long. So don't let winter dull your garden's beauty. With pansies, primroses, and these other stunning blooms, you can enjoy a garden full of color and life even in the coldest months. If you loved this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your fellow garden lovers, and don't forget to subscribe to Discover Agriculture for more gardening inspiration and practical farming tips.